Hey guys, Rick with SeeMyBeach.com. I'm here in lovely Homestead, Florida. Our slogan for your place, just so you know, is cooler than you think. That's what we have on our thing because it's so much cooler than I thought when I came here. I love it here. This is Amy Mitchell from the Mitchell Group. How you doing, Amy?
I'm outstanding, Rick. How are you today?
Awesome, awesome. Well, we just started covering Homestead. Thanks to you, because you pushed it. You were like, I love my city, and you'll love it if you come here and understand it. And I wanted to check out a house. I was like, you sell houses. Can you show me a listing? I asked you that this morning, and here we are doing it. So why don't we check out this house? Tell me a little bit about it, and then let's go inside.
Okay, Rick, thank you so much for the opportunity. And
sure.
Hi to everybody at See My Beach community.
Hello.
This is a very awesome 2.5 acre property with a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom house on it. It also has a 2-car garage attached, plus a big bonus is a 4-car detached garage, which is a bonus space. It could very easily be a guest house or a workshop. It's extra credit, we like to say.
I love it. That's very cool. Let's go inside and check out the inside.
Okay.
And I can think of all kinds of uses for the 4-car garage. If you get in trouble with your wife, you got a place to go, stay away from her.
The dog house.
The dog, an elaborate dog house. All right, so tell me about the house from where we are here.
So we have a foyer area here, which kind of opens up into what could either be a family space or an eat-in kitchen. There's been a lot of renovations in this home since the seller purchased it. Obviously, they have a nice big open kitchen. They modified the floor plan to make for a nice big kitchen, which is more, space is more utilized better for families today.
Absolutely, it's beautiful.
Yes. We love the big farmhouse sink over here. We also really love the double ovens and the space between the kitchen and the cabinets, as well as, of course, the pot filler. And because we live in the Redland and we're not as close to all the main sources for utilities, having a gas stove is really convenient during hurricane season in case we ever lose power.
That makes big sense.
Yeah.
Very cool. I like the way it kind of blends into the actual rooms. So this whole area is like one living space as opposed to a separate kitchen.
Yeah, it's open, so it gives you lots of opportunities to make it whatever you need it to be.
Nice. All right, let's go look at whatever else you want to show first. Just like I'm a potential buyer.
Okay. Well, we love the kitchen, and I love this big open living space.
Yeah.
This could definitely be a family room, multiple things. But it's nice and open. It's open to the kitchen, so you can still be working or entertaining with people and being close to them.
Yeah, I like that.
What's also nice is that there's 2 separate doors that take you out to the patio here, which I'll be honest with you, all the bedrooms and bathrooms are on this side of the house, and we'll get to that, but I want to get down to the stuff that people really like. We love pool patio areas.
The fun stuff, eh? That's what it's all about.
Let's go outside and check it out.
We're See My Beach. We highlight the fun stuff. All right, this is me.
So we have a great covered patio here with fans. Oh, and a really nice ad, especially for families with small children, or anybody for that matter. But if you're trying to keep the inside of your house clean, there's nothing like having an outdoor bathroom.
Wow.
So there's one right over here. So you can keep your house clean. All your guests can stay outside. Let me get the light on for you. But it's a full bathroom, and it's a shower only.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Somebody was thinking when they put this place together.
Yes, they were. Yes, they were. Plus, you've got extra storage for all your pool equipment and shutters, things like that.
Right.
And then, of course, you've got this lovely pool with the jacuzzi.
Really nice. Where I live in the Keys, they'd have like a 25 family development on this much property. This is unreal.
Yeah. And what you're feeling and hearing right now is normal. Like, it's quiet out here.
Yeah.
There's peace out here.
That's the neat thing about being a little further out is you do have that kind of serenity. Imagine hearing that all day. I love it. All right, so what's next? This is the garage?
I like to think that this is also a big draw to this property in addition to the land and the ability to make it whatever you need to be.
Right.
So this is a 4-car detached garage, which could conveniently be converted into a guest quarters if necessary.
That's awesome. I would have plenty of things to do with this.
Yeah. So anybody that has, local small business, maybe needs a little bit of a workshop or something, this is a great bonus. It has a shingle roof on it, just like the same that's here at the house.
Right.
And You'll also notice out into the yard there are some younger fruit trees. There's a variety of fruit trees, and that opportunity can also give you reduced tax base. So if you're using the property for agricultural purposes, and fruit trees will qualify for that, and like the neighbor next door, you could also have horses here and have a like a boarding business or something like that. And those types of businesses qualify the property for tax exemption, and you'll have a lower tax base, and that makes it a little bit more convenient.
Nice. Great benefits. All right, what else?
You can go back inside and see the bedrooms, or do you want to see the little cool space underneath the tree first?
I want to see the space underneath the tree.
Okay, cool.
You got me all revved up about
We're
that.
going for a walk.
All right. Little space under the tree.
Yeah. I don't know what to call it.
Well, that sounds like a book. Little space under the tree.
So there's some mangoes over here that will be perfectly ready in time for a closing if everyone's interested in some mango margaritas.
Nice. And who would not be interested in mango margaritas?
Wouldn't. And there's this cool little hangout back here in the trees.
Uh-oh.
So cool.
You've checked this for bugs before we got out here, right?
No. But can you feel how much cooler it is in here?
I
wish
do.
you could feel the temperature is like completely different.
Yes.
And you could just, you know, move some of these little trees around, just get some chairs back here, read a book, hang out.
This is my favorite spot at the house already.
It's like a cool little hangout.
It is.
What it is.
It reminds me of a place that used to be here called Safari Adventures that's no longer here, a place with animals. And they had the same type of a thing where you went under and it was like 10, 15 degrees cooler.
I mean, it's
You'd have to be here to understand the difference we're feeling right now.
It's crazy. If I was a kid, this would be my favorite place to
Oh, no doubt about it.
Okay, let's go check out the bedrooms.
All right.
First, we have this common area bathroom, which goes into the bathroom, so your guests can use this bathroom, and it also has its own door to one of the secondary bedrooms. It's awesome because it has 2 closets.
Nice. I like this house already because I have a bathtub thing. And I literally go rent a motel sometimes just to have a bathtub. Because everybody has these showers.
Well, this is a bathtub shower combination.
Showers, bathtubs everywhere. I love it.
And it also has 2 closets, one over here and here.
Very nice.
Nice and spacious. This home also has impact windows and doors. We have a nice, huge primary closet.
Gee whiz. Very
It's
nice.
ready for you to put your custom built-ins in, and also a door to the patio. And a giant
Oh my goodness.
soaking tub
And a shower.
with a shower. It's actually a jacuzzi tub.
Since nobody's here right now, can I take a bath sometime?
I think that might be weird. But
Oh, gotcha. There's a guy in there taking a bath right now. Very cool. This house has some really cool features, though. I mean, literally, the outside full bathroom, that's pretty amazing. So
it's a huge bonus.
Yes.
I wish I had a full bathroom outside. I mean, cabana baths are great.
Yeah.
And a lot of our homes with pools, even some without pools, have cabana baths. But having a designated one just for guests and being outside, that's amazing.
that's super cool. All right, anything else you want to show me in the house? Any other kind of, oh, I wanted to ask you about these floors. I noticed them when we came in. They're kind of, I've never seen floors like this. What's the deal with them?
They're very unique.
Okay.
They are a tiger striped bamboo floor. They're wood and they have 100% like lifetime guarantee.
Wow. Cool. And it's throughout the house.
Yes. it
Neat.
is.
Very cool. Does that guarantee count if you have children?
You know, I don't know what the small print is.
It may say, except if you have children.
Well, you know, there's always some disclaimers, but to have
Exactly.
a flooring with any kind of guarantee, I think
It's amazing, yes. Well, this is a fantastic place here. I mean, thank you for coming out and showing me.
Yeah, thanks for coming and looking at it.
Yeah, exactly. You see how we do things impromptu. I just texted you this morning, and the next thing we're doing is hanging out here doing this.
Well, when you're in real estate, you have to be able to pivot quickly.
That's awesome.
And that's what's cool about my job. Each day is different. There's
Yeah.
nothing that's the same.
Well, you realize this will help promote the house, the people who paid you to, or is going to pay you to sell the house or whatever. It's an extra big bonus for them. So I appreciate you stopping and letting me see. And I wanted to come check it out because I haven't seen any houses out here in Homestead yet. So
Well, we have
nobody's invited me over. None of my sustaining partner for this area hadn't invited me to her house or anything. Oh, that's you. Oh, sorry. Anyway.
We have lovely homes in the Redlands. We have this
Yes.
and many others. So if this isn't the right fit for someone that you know, we probably have something that'll fit the bill.
Gotcha. Okay. And Amy, I just want to throw in the See My Beach thing right here. We wouldn't be here in Homestead if it were not for Amy. Amy pushed me and said, "Hey Rick, you just don't understand what Homestead has." And if you're watching this, I can tell you from just the days I've been out here, I'm a big Homestead fan already, and I made fun of it before. Okay, I really did. But I just made fun of it.
We will hold it against you.
Thank you, because I've been revived. So anyway. I went around today just exploring some different things and meeting some cool people, and Soroa Orchids is now on our site. I don't know if I told you that or not, but they're super excited about the community support part and everything, which is what attracted you to it. Mm-hmm. And we want people to come to Homestead and know what you're going to get when you come here. This is just a super cool place.
Yeah. The lifestyle here is one of a kind for South Florida, and we invite you to come out and check it out.
Cool. And one more thing. Of course, the location of this home is cool, but the whole location of Homestead in general is really cool, because what appealed to me and what sold me on it, not just the cool things it has, you're an hour from the Keys, from Key Largo, here.
Not even.
Not even an hour, exactly. Yeah, exactly. But less than
depends on who's driving.
Exactly. Yeah, I can make it pretty fast. But anyway, so yeah, and then the other direction, you go to Miami. Mm-hmm. You're not that far from Sarasota and all those places from here, you know?
Right. I like to, in a lot of our marketing, we use the minutes and miles from the Keys and to Miami, and that's what makes Homestead a really great place. It's one of the best, it's the best bang for your buck in Southeast Florida, as far as real estate values are concerned. And we're about 30 miles from the Keys and about 30 minutes from Miami. Yeah. And so it makes it a convenient place to, if you have to commute.
Yeah, I'm thinking about getting a place here. I seriously am. Like, not buying a place, but renting a place, because going back and forth, the gas and the time and all that kind of stuff, it'd probably be worth me renting something. So I'll get with you about that.
I know someone who can help you.
All right, exactly. Sounds like a plan, okay? All right, well, I'll talk to you later. Here, Amy Mitchell, the Mitchell Group. We only want you on our website for real estate, okay? On the whole website, I could have sold 30 people. Real estate agents is the easiest one to sell, but after meeting you, your compassion and your commitment to this community, buy from these people, the Mitchell Group. Take care. We'll see you later.
Thank you.
SeeMyBeach.com. Rick signing off. All right. We completely forgot this.
Well, this is more than a two-car garage.
This is really cool in here now.
So there's a lot of room here to park real large 2 cars.
Really?
And then some, right?
Plenty of room.
You have your laundry with a tub.
Those are big washer dryers too.
Yeah.
Awesome. This is.
And it also has a back door that walks right out to that detached 4-car garage as well.
Nice. Okay. All right, we can close the video now. Bye. Bye again.